Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from the Hubspot CRM system to Discord. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Hubspot to other systems. For example, in Discord you can send message about the appearance of new contacts in Hubspot. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Hubspot data source system. Next, you need to select an action, Get Contacts New. At this stage, you need to connect your Hubspot account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, enter your login and password from your Hubspot account. Next, you need to select the account from which you want to transfer data. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Hubspot system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your Hubspot contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Hubspot data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Discord as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Message. At this stage, you need to connect your Discord account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. At this stage, you must specify the server to which you want to transfer data. Leave all permissions checked and click Authorize to give ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Discord. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you first need to specify the channel. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Hubspot. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. Please note that you can specify the sender bot name from which messages will be sent. And also you can specify a direct link to the image that will be used as sender bot avatar. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Discord. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Discord. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.